Hello, DreamSet Service is here again. Today there is an error, paper loaded with too much skew on a HP DesignJet printer. So this is a HP DesignJet 510 printer, and you can also use this is a HP DesignJet 510. You can see from the label on the printer, and this fix can also work for DesignJet 500 or the T series. The first thing you need to do is go towards the back and then try to tighten up the excess roll of paper at the back. Roll it so that there is nothing left there. You can see this is left. It's not supposed to be there, so I'm going to tighten it up so there is no excess paper left on the paper roller. After doing this, I'm going to show you one more thing you need to do at the front, how to be able to load it correctly, pass it correctly inside the printer. So this is done right now. You can see it is all tightened up. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take you to the front of the printer, and I'll show you what to do there. So what I'm going to do right now is to open the door. After opening the door, the houses they printed, lift up this blue handle and then push the paper back, and you can see the blue line towards the right hand side. Make sure it aligns. Now when it aligns, most people leave it at this level. No, this level is wrong. You have to push it back a bit because there is a sensor under that detects the paper, and if it's still there, it will show you that the paper is loaded with too much skew. So I have loaded this paper right now, and I'm going to align it to check the paper, and after which it will give me the go ahead to print whatever I want to print. And if you still have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section below, and I'll do everything as much as possible to be able to answer your questions. And then check my other videos. I have other videos that can help you fix all other issues related to this part. Thank you.